Hi guys. Okay, so for this project, we pretty much had to make 3 billboards, as you guys know, and each of them has to last 6 seconds. We had to choose what we would want in order to create, a logo and a company out of it, and we could choose from different subjects that our professor gave us. For my project, I chose jewelry. The reason why I chose jewelry was because I have some pictures from one of my friend's engagement shoots that I had shot before, and so I decided that that would be a very good idea, just so that that way I could actually work with some of the stuff that I was already inspired with to begin with. So let me go ahead and show you my first billboard. So this is pretty much my first billboard. It says, "Dreaming of the perfect wedding, make her dreams come true with Love by Lily. Visit our local shop at Brownsville, Texas." For this, I added a drop shadow, the same thing with my Dreaming of the Perfect Wedding and Visit our local shops. And what I did in here was that for the logo, I decided that I wanted something to be blinking, so I decided to make this 3 lines and pretty much use them as a highlight, and I'll go ahead and show you in a minute. But yeah, this is one of the pictures that I took with my friends. Let's see, then for billboard 2, I decided to just about the same thing. Let me see, let me go ahead and show you. Oh. Yeah, I can't really show you if it's locked out. Okay, anyway, so yeah, for this one I decided to go with an offer, just so that it could attract the client a little bit more. I chose to use another one of my friend's pictures, and I did do some tweaking on this, which I will go ahead and show you in just a little bit, but I just wanted to show you the billboard pictures at first. And for the third one, I did not decide to go with one of my friend's photos, but I did though and get a really cool picture on Google that I really liked. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. Yeah, okay. So for this one, it's nothing too special. I just thought that this would look elegant, and it would actually attract people, since it's a black and white, and people are usually pretty attracted to a white when it comes to the color black. I don't know. I mean, black and white's always a very good presentation when it comes to elegance. Let's see. So let me go ahead and show you my picture. My video, and we'll go ahead and talk about it in just 1 second. Yeah, I just decided to do the tweaking, and with that, I used a classic tweak. For the blinking, I just decided to add one keyframe per time, so that it could actually give it a good look. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I have. Other than that, if you have any comments, if you want to go ahead and leave me some feedback, or ask any questions, I would be more than happy to hear you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.